Hello students, today we will study about the first type of asexual reproduction, that is fission. Fission is basically a cell splitting into two or more cells. A question arises, if this is just cell division, why do we call it as a process of reproduction? Well, think about it. In multicellular organisms like human beings, cell division just makes more and more cells in the body. So that is not reproduction for human beings. However, if you consider a unicellular organism, it just have one cell. Imagine that this cell splits into two. We will now have two different cells. That means two new individuals, and so we can call it reproduction, and therefore we can say that fission or cell division is a type of reproduction for unicellular organisms only and not for multicellular organisms. Now, based on the number of cells formed after division, we can classify fission into two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Let us first study about binary fission. In binary fission, two individuals are formed from a single parent. For example, amoeba. When amoeba matures, it is ready to reproduce, and when conditions are favorable, DNA copy in the nucleus will be made and its nucleus will start to elongate, after which eventually the nucleus will split into two, which will be followed by division of cytoplasm, and finally amoeba will split into two daughter cells. That means two new amoebas, which are clones of the parent, are formed. One more example can be of leishmania, which is known for causing a disease called Kala Azar. Moving further, the next type of fission is multiple fission, in which many individuals are formed from a single parent. For example, Plasmodium, which is known for causing malaria. In Plasmodium, reproduction occurs in unfavorable conditions, due to which it develops a protective covering called cyst over the cell. The nucleus of the cell divides repeatedly, producing many nuclei. Each nucleus is surrounded by a small amount of cytoplasm, and many daughter cells are produced within the cyst. When the conditions are favorable, the cyst breaks and small offsprings are liberated. These offsprings are also the clones of the parent cell. So this was all about binary fission and multiple fission.